is right because everybody wants to adopt the statue of Ram, but nobody wants to adopt the character of Ram. Everybody thinks that there will be Ram Rajya if there is the statue of Lord Ram. But if there is no Ram in us, then how can we it become the Ram Rajya? Ram is not the God because he have done a lot of things. He is the God because he have created a scenario. He have created a character. He was a character that everybody thinks that he is a God. You consider that he went to the exile of 14 years because he want to take the respect and he want to give the respect to the words of his father. He fought a battle with the biggest devil of that time, that was Ravan, because of the respect of his wife. He went to Saudi and he ate the nibbled berries of Saudi because she was the devotee and even she was nothing against him, but he did not
Insult,
Vidwan.
discriminate.
But he did not discriminate her anymore. And even when Lakshman went to the Ravan and he was there to get the knowledge and he was towards the head, then he said that you should go towards the feet of the Ravan because we can earn knowledge when we
When we are at the
when we left our attitude.
ego.
Only at that time we can get knowledge. And also the Lanka was of gold, but he left it for Vibhishan because he did not want any gold. He just wanted the respect of his wife. So in this way, we cannot create Ram Rajya. First of all, we have to see ourselves. Only then we can create Ram.